Hello everyone, today I will show you how to send large video file on WhatsApp. And here's how it is done. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the chat. If you try to send a long or high resolution video directly from your gallery, WhatsApp will compress it, significantly reducing its quality. The trick here is to send the video as a document rather than a regular video. To do this, go to your Photos app and find the video you want to send. Tap the share icon at the bottom left, then choose Save to Files. This will save the video to the Files app on your iPhone. The process is similar on Android. I'm saving mine to the Downloads folder on my iPhone. Once you have done that, hit Save at the top right. Now go back to WhatsApp, tap the plus icon in the chat, and select Document. Find the video file you saved. For example, if I send this as a document, the video won't be compressed, keeping its original quality intact. And that's everything you need to know about how to send large video file on WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.